afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Sharon's Crafts and More. Today we're going to be putting together my tier tray for spring and Easter decor. I have all this stuff to work with. Some of it I might use, some of it I might not use, or I might go out and buy maybe some more different stuff and then add to it. First thing I'm going to do is put this up here. These flowers were from the Michaels Summer Spring Grab Bags, and this little vase was from the Dollar Bullseye Playground. This also was from the Dollar Bullseye Playground. These were from Michaels, I think. A couple of years ago I got these from Michaels. Okay, now I'm gonna prop up my bunnies. These little bunnies I got years ago. I don't recall, maybe CVS I got those. Put those there. And I put my Bless mug back here. That I got from Walgreens. It looks like Rae Dunn, but it's not. It's from, not Walgreens, Walmart. And I'll add a carrot. Put a carrot in there. Let's see. This little egg basket. These are from the Dollar Tree, and some of these were from the Target Bullseye Playground. Some carrots. And then I have this filler. I put a little bit of this is from the Dollar Tree to act as like Easter grass. It comes out like zigzaggy, and I just pull it apart like this to make it straight. This is what it looks like. And then I just pull it apart, add it in to cover up the wooden block area so it won't be seen. Here. Put some in there. But it is very messy. You can add whatever you would like in here. I just found this and I thought it looks very springy Easter. You could add the reindeer moss or that brown stuff. I forget the name of it. But reindeer moss too to give it color. Okay, now I'm going to add in some little carrots. I'm going to put some up here too, just to give it all color. Got these last year. It's what your taste is. Let's see. Put like some little daisies in here. And I have this little rabbit pick I'm going to put in there. My egg pick. This from Michaels. Add this in the back. And a big white egg. Got from the Dollar Tree, the paint by number thing. Some eggs. These speckled eggs from the Dollar Tree, just to give it color. I keep this on my dining room table, and you can see it from the back too. Some colored eggs. There we go. And now my tier tray is now done. I I made it so that you can see it both from the front and the back because it's going to be on my dining room table during spring and Easter. Thanks everybody for watching my video. If you liked my video, please hit the like button and also the subscribe button. Thank you. Have a great day. Bye-bye.